Hey Divi Nation, welcome to this brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a free brand new Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a brand new Winery Layout Pack we think you're going to enjoy. The Winery Layout Pack is certainly a cause for celebration. Wineries can showcase each selection with a design that is timeless and sophisticated. The colors fit perfectly with the niche, and it has wonderful typography throughout, not to mention so many great illustrations, images, and mock-ups that you can use for your own website. And the pack even includes a dedicated shop page for featuring those wines that you have for sale online, and also a page for promoting wine club memberships. So go ahead and check it out. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new Winery Layout Pack on your own website. Now before you can start adding these pre-made layouts to your website from within the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Divi Theme Options. There click the Updates tab and then enter your username and API key and click Save Changes. Once done, you'll have access to all of the pre-made layouts, including this Winery Layout Pack, from within the Divi Builder without any problems. Next, you're ready to start creating your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. Start by going to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the Choose a Pre-Made Layout option. From the Load from Library box, go ahead and find the Winery Layout Pack and select it. There you'll see a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack on the right. Find the one that you want and then click Use this layout. And once the layout's loaded to the page, don't forget to save it or publish it, and you can also go in and make any design or content adjustments that you want. And after that, you'll want to continue this same process to create all of your pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. And once all of your pages have been created with those pre-made layouts, go ahead and add a new menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. Over on the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of those and add them to the menu. Under the menu structure area, go ahead and organize the menu items however you like. And then don't forget to set the display location to Primary Menu, and then click Save Menu. And once the menu has been created, you're ready for the last step, which is to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the home page, select the home page with the corresponding Winery homepage pre-made layout, and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Winery Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new Winery Layout Pack. Don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And make sure you click to receive those notifications. That way we can let you know when we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.